Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your iPad. The first thing you need to do is make sure your screen recorder is in your control panel. Your control panel is this list of controls that you can access. So the first thing we need to do is go to Settings, and then you're going to click on Control Center. Control Center is right underneath General, and then Customize Controls. There's actually a whole lot of different features you can add to that control panel. So the one we want is at the very top. It says Screen Recording. So make sure that is there. If it's not, if it's down in this bottom list, just click the green circle with a plus in it, and that will add it to your control panel. So we're going to close out of that. And then if you swipe from the upper right-hand corner, just swipe down, you will see your control panel, and the one that's flashing right now is your screen recorder. Now, the last thing I'm going to tell you, I'm going to hold this down. The last thing I'm going to tell you is you want to make sure your microphone is on. It is in the bottom, that red circle with a white microphone in the middle. If it is not on, you will get through an entire video, which is what happened to me. I got through an entire video and then realized I had to do it all over again because my microphone was not on. So make sure that microphone is on before you start recording. And that's it. Once you are done, once you click stop recording, it will save it to your photos, and then you can upload it wherever you want to upload your screencasting. So that's it. That's how you screencast on your iPad. That's it for this video. Until next time, looking forward and be awesome. Bye, guys.